guys, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. And happy Wednesday to everyone out there. It's Wednesday for you, Wednesday for me. You guys know I love when we align. We're on the same page, we're on the same struggle. Even though today is an especially hard struggle for me just because I still am in full Coachella recovery mode. I have not felt like I caught up on sleep yet. I'm just still very, very tired, even though I have been sleeping a lot since I got back. Like full 9-hour nights, but I guess all those 4-hour nights from this past weekend are really catching up with me. It's a lot of caffeine going into my body. Anyway, it's currently 10:30 a.m. I've actually had a pretty good and productive start to my day here, but it's gonna be a pretty busy work day. Yesterday was absolutely freaking crazy. Guys, I don't even want to show you what this room looks like right now. I really want to get this cleaned up today. I mean, it's so bad. Like, what is going on here? I don't know. But I want to be able to work out tonight, get back on my workout grind, and there is currently no room in here to do that, so that's the motivation I'm going to use to get this room a little bit more cleaned up. I also got to get a ton of returns done, not today, but I want to like package them up and get them ready. I feel like I need a full week off after Coachella. Like, I have not been that, I don't know, just worn down and exhausted in a really, really long time. Today also happens to be 420 for me, so if you out there celebrate, happy 420. I know it's a week ago for you, but hope you had a wonderful and safe time. Connor and I are talking about ordering some pizza today to celebrate. That should be quite delicious. We also have a new Survivor tonight because it's Wednesday. It's gonna be a good day. So I think what I'm gonna do first today, or now that I've gotten some other stuff out of the way, is I have to get some posts up for a client quickly, and then after that, I want to do some content planning for my YouTube channel. I have honestly been feeling pretty uninspired lately. There just hasn't been that much going on, and I haven't been feeling like picking up my camera, so I want to just sit down and get some solid ideas out. That way I have some content planning done, because right now just winging it is really not working for me. So I really just wanted to pop in and say hi. I probably will check in with you guys when I'm making lunch. I'm gonna try to make a really yummy salad recipe that I saw online, so pretty excited about that. So let's just push through this and I will see you guys in maybe 2 hours. We are getting started on lunch here now, guys. I have some orzo almost cooked here on the stove. Letting that finish off. It has like 30 more seconds, and then I have a ton of chopped veggies here. We have cauliflower, carrot, zucchini, and red bell pepper that we're going to roast in the oven for 30 minutes. And this is basically going to be like a roasted veggie salad situation. There's the orzo. Let me pull this. Anyway, back to seasoning our veggies. We're gonna do salt, garlic, and chili. And as I said, we're just going to roast this for 30 minutes at 425. Now for our dressing for our salad, we're gonna do something with some hummus. Got some hummus here. We're going to pull out a pretty good amount of it. Hummus. We're gonna do olive oil, lemon juice, a little bit of water, and salt, pepper, and garlic. Got all that in there. Now we're gonna mix it all together. Makes a nice creamy, smooth dressing. So Connor had to get on a call, so I couldn't finish vlogging making lunch, but it was just assembly at that point, so I figured it was fine. Basically, I added the orzo, some arugula, and some diced red onion, just raw, into a bowl, and then I added all of our roasted veggies in there, topped it with the dressing, added a little bit of feta, and this is what we have. It looks so good. I'm so excited to try this, and it's freaking huge. I feel like I can probably have this for lunch tomorrow. Although sometimes I surprise myself and eat a lot, but I think since orzo is our base in this, orzo is super filling usually for me, so I probably won't finish this all in one sitting. But as I said, sometimes I do surprise myself. But yeah, let's try some of this. Oh, I also added chickpeas. That's the last thing. That's delicious. Oh my gosh. I think I pulled the veggies slightly before 30 minutes as well. They were just looking good to me, and I like my veggies to have a little bit of crunch in them still, so I didn't want them to be totally soft. Roast at your own discretion. I think I pulled it at like 26 minutes. I was at 1:15 already, you guys. This day is going so fast. The time has officially come to tackle the disaster that is the office from all of Coachella, all the boxes. I haven't unpacked anything yet. Like, it's just a disaster. So we are going to tackle this right now. That way it is just absolutely done, because I I can't deal.
Look at your model kitty.
I know. Hello, beautiful girl. You look so pretty. You look so pretty today.
Are you a super kitty? Staring off into the distance?
Yeah, our little supermodel. Look at that cat. Ah! You kill me, Molly. I love you. Good girl. Well, I just got in a good little cleaning mode here. I'm washing the sheets. I sort of tidied up here. I still haven't gotten something new to hold my earrings. This happened in a recent video, if you didn't see. Is this, oh my gosh, no, I just broke this thing. The thing that holds all of my earrings. Very, very sad. So it's just sort of hanging out here, doing the best it can to hold my stuff together. But I got this reorganized and like pulled some products that I wasn't using as much and put in some products that I want to try more of in here. So that was good. Got this reorganized. So yeah, nice productive little period there. I'm loving it. It is the next day, everyone, and I meant to start this vlog before lunch, and now it is the end of the day. So that should tell you how this day has been going. Absolute chaos, madness. My brain is feeling a little bit fried, I'm not gonna lie. But that's okay. You really didn't miss much because, as I said, it's been a really busy work day, and I just had the leftovers from lunch that I made today, so nothing new to see here. And I'm about to hop into a workout, but first I thought we would open up some packages. Don't know what all of this is. I think a lot of it is stuff that I ordered for Coachella and didn't arrive in time. Oh, I forgot about this PR, and I am so excited about it, you guys. It is my very first book PR package. Does this make me officially a bookfluencer? No. But I am so excited. So the author Geneva Rose actually reached out to me about sending me an advance copy of one of her new books. She knew that I'm into thrillers, and I believe that this is a thriller as well. So we of course have the book, which we'll pull out in a second. I'm gonna take a photo of this before I destroy it all, but I want to show you guys too. We have lots of little tools around here. Gotta get a photo for the story first. Very excited. And I've actually never read The Perfect Marriage either, so I'm definitely gonna have to check that one out too. By the way, I cannot begin to tell you guys how often I get emails and PR addressed to Jim Cimorelli. Jim. All the time. All the time people address things to Jim Cimorelli. I guess I sort of see how the mistake could be made, sort of, but weird, right? I won't complain because this looks like a pair of shoes, and I love shoes. Yes, this is something that I had picked out for Coachella, but obviously it did not arrive in time. But look at these boots. How cool are they? I'm definitely gonna keep them even though we're like going into summer, so probably won't have a ton of opportunities to wear these right now, but they are sort of like summery with like the lighter color and the see-through platform on the bottom. I mean, so cute. This is from the brand Dirty Laundry. Molly Cat's having fun too with the PR, right? Yeah. Yeah. Very close. What a strange and chaotic clip this has been so far. Next up, we have a Hawaiian Tropic Spray sunscreen. Again, ordered this for Coachella. It didn't arrive in time, but it's just sunscreen, so it will definitely get used. This is, sadly for me, a top that did not arrive in time for Coachella from Revolve because I love it, but I think I'll wear it a lot this summer anyway, so it's fine. I don't know why it's looking like a different color on camera, like it can't acknowledge what the actual color is. There we go. That's a little better. Anyway, little corset vibe. Bright green. They're matching pants too. They were out of stock in my size, but I'm gonna be looking for them for sure. Whew, and that's all the PR. That took a little longer than I thought that it would. So I'm gonna go get ready for my workout and then we'll get into it. Okay, workout starts in a second now. Just gonna have a couple bites of a quantum energy square just to get me going because I just don't feel like doing this today, you guys, but I'm making myself. I know I gotta get back into the swing of things, so it's fine, we're doing it, but not gonna be happy about it. Got the workout in, which felt great. Kaia was very nice to me and took it nice and easy on me today because I was still not feeling 100%. I literally don't understand how it is taking me this long to feel recovered, but it is, so we're rolling with it. Yes, Coachella came and got us and spit us back out again.
Late 20s edition.
Yeah, exactly. Ugh, scary. But that's okay. Connor and I are gonna have a very chill night. We have a new Survivor to watch.
Yeah,
which
we
is
do.
Lovely. We made some sushi for dinner. It's
Must
gonna
be
be
Survivor
great.
night.
Exactly. Always Survivor and sushi. End of the night, just here with my little beanie cat. You're so cute. She's so cute. I've been dying over her all day. She's just been so cute lately. Extra. Even more than usual. Anyway, very, very nice night. Connor and I watched another episode of Winning Time, which is a new HBO show. We watched the new Survivor, and we watched some Curb, which was great. So overall, that's what I call a successful night. And we're going to bed a little early. It's only like 10:15, but I want to read my book a little bit. I am still reading Reminders of Him by Colleen Hoover. So I want to read a couple chapters of that before we head to sleep. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.